Hi and welcome to SiteManager.io. I'm Angelina and today I'll be showing you how to use repeaters on your landing page. A common hurdle when building web pages is the typically static nature of components. Components usually consist of a certain format. The padlock icon demonstrates that they're child elements and how they are structured can't be adjusted. This means that for each variation, however similar, you would need to build a new component. To save time, we're introducing repeaters. Repeaters are a practical platform feature that allow you to add component flexibility. You decide which elements you use, one or multiple times, and how they are ordered. To start off, build a component, preferably with structures as explained in one of our previous how-to videos. Next, go to the Design view by clicking the paintbrush icon at the top of the page. Then, open the Design Engine panel on the right side and the Layers panel on the left side. Apply the repeater feature to your component by right-clicking on it with your mouse. Or you can click on the three dots in the Layer panel and select Convert to Repeater. You can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl-R. Notice how you can use the repeaters both on the parent level and the child level of the component for optimal interchangeability. An important side note is don't panic when you add repeaters to an existing component and it seems to disappear right after you save your changes. It only seems this way because your component elements can now be used multiple times and are interchangeable. As a result, the CMS no longer follows the pre-built content format. So, to fix your empty component, simply add the content you wish to display. As you can see, the content window now allows you to add content elements to your liking. On the left side of each component element, the padlock icon has been swapped for a checkbox. On the right-hand side, you'll see that you can now copy, move, or delete your element. Repeaters are a real game changer when it comes to flexibility, efficiency, and even productivity. We hope you keep using them over and over and over again. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next videos and good luck.